This is a piece of test equipment that's used out in the field for the diesel trucks for doing opacity or smoke tests. As you can see, this is the name of the machine. So the interesting thing about this piece of test equipment that a lot of people don't understand is you have a temperature and humidity sensor right here. And then also this is connected to a server and downloads the data. But what I want to show you here, as you can see, there's the date stamp, the time, the test, the licensing, everything that you need to do a smoke opacity test is on this. And this was done with hydrogen. As you can see right there, we have 3 tests, 1, 2, 3 in a row, 0 opacity. Then a few minutes later, they did it again just to verify it because the results were really well and they wanted to do it again. And as you can see, 0, 0, 0. Again, you can only achieve these results with a precise amount of Central Valley HHO's hydrogen. Thanks.